This is the devil's playground, and his current situation showing me that he don't play around. And on this playground, the only time you hear a bell is when the two rinse, and then they school him, teaching him a little fitness, making him run his quickest. And then they teach him a little bit of mathematics, showing him what it equals to when they automatic. But how do we solve this problem? It's becoming problematic, and the playground is dramatic, and it's all over. And the name for this playground, man, I call it the streets. And I say it's kinda peak, cause it's a place where your life can be all over. Cause you can end up beneath the ground or behind the bars. And once you're involved, man, it's hard to depart, and you will feel it deep in your heart. If you've ever lost a loved one to the playground, then you know that the devil don't play around. And now he's got you laying on the ground. He gon' teach you a little bit of RE, cause in a frantic hurry, you're calling out to every god possible, cause survival seems impossible. And now English is up next. He gon' teach you how to structure your sentence while your heart's beating fast and you can barely talk. Now he gon' teach you a little bit of punctuation, how to put a full stop at the end of your line. But lucky for you, he only put a comma, but now you're in a coma. This is everyday drama, real life reality. The devil's playground will have you feeling like the angels don't stay around, like they left at the bell, leaving you in detention. But you didn't know detention was a whole new world. Well, welcome to the devil's playground. You learned that the hard way, and now you're in a coma around your mother's heartaches, cause she don't know if you're gonna live to see another day. But now the lesson of science is on the way, cause the doctor says he's gotta operate in order for you to possibly see more days. But this is the devil's playground, and you know we don't play around, cause it's peak now, cause that comma turned into a full stop. And now the tears from your mum, and they won't stop. I guess he taught you how to make history, cause your friends and your family are writing RIP. I said I guess he taught you how to make history, cause your friends and your family are writing RIP. This is the devil's playground, and his current situation showing you that he don't play around. Nah, nah, I said he don't play around. Nah, nah, I said he don't play around. This is the devil's playground, and his current situation showing you that he don't play around. Nah, nah, I said he don't play around. Nah, nah, I said he don't play around. This is the devil's playground.